Hello, I'm Mr. Stone King. Today we're going to talk about setting up our Google Sites for our digital portfolios. I'm just going to go over basic how we're going to set them up, and this will just kind of be a place for us to start. It's going to be a base kind of thing. We're going to build from here. So what we're going to do is you're going to come up, you're going to have an open new Chrome web browser. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to type into the URL bar sites.google.com, and you're going to hit enter. And just like this, we're in Google Sites. So what I want all of us to do is we're going to come over to Create, and here you have a couple of options. Okay, we have classic sites and we have new sites. What I want everyone to do is we're going to be using new sites. Okay, so go ahead and click on that. And then from there, it creates a brand new website for us. So what you're going to do is for the title, you're going to type in your name and what it is. So this is Josh Stone King Digital Portfolio, and that'll be your title. Okay. The next thing you want to do is you want to come up here in your site name. All you're going to do is type in your first and last name, and that's it for that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some pages because we don't want to just have one little or one page. It's not going to be just this. We're going to add some pages. So from there, you're going to click on pages, and you see this little add with a page there. You're going to click on that, and you're going to get to name your page. Your first page name is going to be Journal Entries. And so all of our journal entries for the whole year are going to go into here, not individually. I'll show us how to set that up in a separate video. But this is where we're going to house our journal entries. And it's going to be a place for us to show how we progress with our writing within social studies. So click on that, and it generates a new page for us. Okay. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make another page. So click again, add page. This one is going to be called Unit Projects. So you're going to type in Unit Projects. And just like that, it created a page for us. So from here, all of our unit projects, so each unit that we have a project for, will go underneath here. And what you're going to do to create subpages for each of those projects is you're going to click on these three vertical dots right here. You're going to click on it once, and it's going to give you some options here. So you can see you can change like what the home page is. You don't want to mess with this too much, but what we want to do is we want to come down here to create subpage. So this is where we're going to put on our project. So for Unit 1, we're going to type in Unit 1. So for our Unit 1 project, that's where it's going to go. We're going to hit Done, and just like that, it's nested underneath our unit project. So as you can see, if we come up here in the navigation, it says Unit 1 right there. It's going to be right underneath Unit Projects. And so every unit that follows that, so Unit 2, 3, 4, all the way up through our final project is going to be housed here. There are ways that you can customize your page, so you don't have to just go with what is linked or like what's set up right here. And I'll link some videos in the space for our Google Digital Portfolio with how to actually do that, so that you can like see that if you don't want to like mess around with it too much right now. But they'll be just kind of like a resource for you to kind of get some ideas on how to customize the page and make it yours, because ultimately this is a reflection of you. So it should reflect what you like and who you are. So I'll link those in the same page that I'll have all of our digital workspace videos at. So if you have any questions, let me know. Again, this was just a basic. We're going to get our digital portfolio foundation set up. We're going to be adding to this, but I think it's important just to have this set up because now we have a base to work off of. Again, I'm Mr. Stone King, and I'll see you next time.